It's episode 50. Can you believe it? Smart money to blockchain freedom, episode 50. Can't believe it. For out of 122, because I'm going to do 122 videos and one every day. That's the plan. And for brand new people, if you're brand new in crypto, come down to a website called CoinMarketCap. Come and have a look. Come and have a look at the top tokens. It's listed from the top token, and then they all come down. And it's nice to go and have a look at Bitcoin, right? Most people have heard of Bitcoin, and a lot of people are petrified of it, right? You don't have to be petrified of it. Why don't you open up a Revolut account and do something called dollar cost averaging? So all you do is you buy, say, £100 a month for 5 years or 3 to 5 years. Dollar cost averaging, and you forget about it on automatic. The Revolut account will just buy it every month for you, and you could do the same for Ethereum. And if you want to go look at the chart, this is super powerful, and you can go all-time chart, which means when Bitcoin started. When did it start? If I go right at the end here, this is 2011. It was $7 for one Bitcoin in 2011. Can you believe it? And if we just went 5 years back to 2020, about the same month, 10th month, 11th month, that's fine. Let's just go back here, 10th month. So $11,548. That was 5 years ago. So imagine if you dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin 5 years ago, just with £100 a month on automatic for the whole 5 years. Okay, takes the emotion out, it buys on automatic, and it just constantly buys. You called dollar cost averaging. Super powerful. What else you can look at? You could even go do the same dollar cost average into Ethereum, because Ethereum, you can also go look at the chart, your all-time chart, and you can go and have a look what that was like 3 years ago. So if you go 2022, there it was 1,288 for one Ethereum, right? So you could have also dollar cost averaged into Ethereum. You could have done $50 in a Bitcoin and $50 in Ethereum. Okay? Look at the top 10 tokens, on CoinMarketCap. You can have a look at the news as well. Let's see if there's any juicy news here. Look here. Crypto King just in. Let's go and have a look what this is all about. Just in. JP Morgan. I'm sure you've heard of JP Morgan, right? I believe about 10 years ago, I think the CEO of JP Morgan said Bitcoin was a scam. Look how he's changed his mind, right? Today's date is the 25th of October 2025. So just in, JP Morgan will now accept Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral in its crypto strategy. Well, there you go, right? It's all coming mainstream. Before you know it, crypto at the moment, blockchain technology, it's very positive. Where do you think we'll be in 5 years' time, right? Massive development. Banks are looking at it. Wall Street's looking at it. What about tokenization of gold, possibly? What a tokenization of property, right? There is such a strong future for this technology. And also what I wanted to just talk about is just think bigger, quicker, right? Because if you're going to get caught napping, this blockchain train is just going to ride over you, right? Take advantage. Educate yourself. Go into CoinMarketCap, dollar cost average, and take the pressure out. There's many good exchanges in the UK. You can purchase crypto. You just can ask ChatGPT, right? And it will tell you. So let's go and have a look at this project that I'm promoting. I am promoting a project called Apertum. And at the moment, Apertum is ranked 550 out of 9,393 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. They've also got a profile score of 83%, and they've got a community score of 83%. So I'm very bullish on this project. And why am I saying that? Well, you've got Apertum blockchain, and the Pertum blockchain takes characteristics from Bitcoin, for instance. They've also got a halving model every 4 years that gets released to the miners, because we do have miners, okay? And it's not like you have to have this expensive equipment in your house. No, you don't have to have it at all. The good thing about the Pertum project is we've got a DApp running on a system called DAO1, which is a decentralized autonomous organization, and smart contracts are running dApps on the blockchain, the Pertum blockchain. And we got this wonderful product helping you to accumulate this token. Why is it so cool? Because look at the price. It's 71 cents, right? Today's date is the 25th of October, 2025. Where's this coin going to be in 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year time? So dollar cost average into this coin. How can you do that? You can do that by purchasing one of our products. First of all, we got a trading bot which buys low, sells high. So what it will do is, it's AI. It'll buy low, sell high, accumulating more of these tokens for you. Also, we got a mining bot that mines this token for you on automatic 24/7 hours a day, and accumulates again more Pertum. So my suggestion is put it in your high risk portfolio. Yes. Okay. This is blockchain. This is cryptocurrency. There's no guarantees. Okay. Only invest money you can afford to lose. And hodl. Start holding this coin, accumulating this coin. And I'm going to show you how. So in the description below, you will get some links where you can learn how to create an account with DAO1, create an account, and then you can look at our products. These products are absolutely fantastic for dollar cost averaging into the Pertum coin. Okay, we could have a look at the Radiant. You do get 2 products for the price of 1. You get a crypto trading bot, as I mentioned, buying low, selling higher on automatic AI technology. And then we've got a mining bot that mines the token for you on automatic. Imagine you've got 2 products working for you, right? Super, super cool. So get yourself one of these products. As I said, average cost purchasing on automatic, and get as many of these Pertum coins as possible. Another cool thing is you can put capital into a liquidity pool, which I love doing. I just have to stop my video because it doesn't like me when I do this. I'm going to do a live demo. So I'm going to go into apps. I'm going to go into DEX, and we've got our own decentralized exchange, meaning there is no third party who manages it. It's part of the DAO system. There's no third parties. You connect your wallet directly. It's community driven. Who puts capital into the liquidity pool? You can take your funds out at any time. So you are like the bank. You are in charge, right? So this is how easy it is. We click on tokens. I'm going to look at the Pertum coin. It is a pair. It's a Pertum and USDT. And at the moment, we're looking at about 7.57 annual interest rate. This does vary. I've seen it as high as 100%, and I've seen it as low as, about 6%, or probably the lowest I've seen it. And on average, I would say it's between 20 and 30%, which is blooming phenomenal interest rate. But don't forget, you're bagging these coins for a cheap price because it's 72 cents right now, right? Where's this coin going to be in a year's time, 2 years time, 3 years time? With blockchain technology growing, more usability on this blockchain, it's fast, people can develop on it. So more and more people will come onto the blockchain. More and more people will use our token, and supply and demand, right? More and more people use it, the potential of the price to go up. So let's show you how easy it is to add liquidity. Just going to add liquidity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some Pertum. So I'm going to add 4 Pertum, and then I'm going to add some USDT as well. So we call this a cappuccino effect, right? So imagine if you did this every day for the next 3 years. Just purchase, add to the liquidity pool, add to the liquidity pool. You've got your trading AI bot working as well on automatic, and you've got your mining on automatic, and you've got your liquidity pool working for you as well. So this is how easy it is. I am just going to take a little screenshot of this because we've got a little accountability group where we share information, and I'll just copy that. Because if you read there, when you add liquidity, you will receive pool tokens representing your position. These tokens automatically earn fees proportional to your share. How cool is that? So I'm going to press supply and I'm going to confirm supply. I do have a little security device called a keystone. If you don't have one, I would suggest you get one. It protects your funds. So I've just got to scan this quickly and this protects my wallet. This is what I use. And then I'm just going to scan that. And that's how easy it is to add to the liquidity pool. Cappuccino a day effect. So I'm going to close that. And yeah, I think that's about it. So I just wanted to say, if you don't have a DAO1 account yet, look at the links below, grab yourself a DAO1 account. We do have a promotion on these 2-in-1, the Smart Trading Bot and Smart Mining Bot, that does end on the 31st of October 2025. So just be aware, if you are watching this video after that, there'll most probably be a different promotion. Awesome. Have an awesome day, evening, and see you tomorrow for episode 51. Thank you and bye-bye.